Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.Saranya College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. The Unit 1, Layers in Blender. The layer is nothing but is a collection of elements. In Blender, the layers are the collection used to organize and manage different elements within a scene. They help keep complex scenes structured and facilitated efficient workflow management. The key concepts of layer. The first one is collection, visibility and selectability, organization, collection, instance, linking and appending. The collection is nothing but it is a modern replacement for traditional layer, allowing for hierarchical organization of object. Objects can be grouped into collection for better scene management. Collection is collecting the traditional layer or particular layer for organizing the object in the hierarchical way. Second one is visibility and selectability. Collection can be toggled on or off for visibility and selectability in the viewport and renders. Useful for isolating a specific part of a scene. Organization. Collections can be nested, creating a parent-child hierarchy for more complex scenes. Helps in grouping related objects together. Example, all elements of a character or environment. Collection instance. Collections can be instantiated, allowing for multiple instances of the same collection within a scene, efficient for repeating elements like building, trees or characters. Linking and appending. Collections can be linked or appended for other Blender files, facilitating reuse of assets across multiple projects. Linking maintains a reference to the original file, while appending creates a local copy. In this screen, you can see the layer in the down of the each and every window. The defaultly it contains the 10 plus 10 20 layers. Each layer, if you are assembling a particular object in the rotate mode or bouncing mode in each and every layer, that is more useful for understanding about the Blender. The shaded square indicates the layer 1 is being viewed. By choosing the layer, and if you are choosing to the next layer, it will be changed to the move it to the second layer. Object Tools panel. The Object Tool panel, also known as the tool shelf, is a dynamic panel in the Blender 3D viewport that provides quick access to frequently used tools and functions. It can be toggled on or off with the T key. Key features. Transform tool. Move. The move G is the shortcut for moving a particular object. Move object along with X, Y and Z axis. Next is R. R is the keyboard shortcuts for rotating an object. Alphabet key we need to click for rotating an object. Rotate objects around the X, Y and Z axis. Next is Scale. Scale object uniformly or along specific axis. Manipulating tools. Transform GMOS, visual aids for moving, rotating and scaling the object. Snapping. Tools to snap objects to other objects, grid points or vertex. Next is tool tabs. Tools, the basic transform and manipulation tools. Create, add new objects like meshes, lights and cameras. Next is relation. Manage parent-child relationship between the object. Context sensitivity tools. The tool self changes content based on the active mode, example object mode, edit mode. Customization. User can customize the tools displayed in the tool self and add frequently used tools for quick access. Next is moving in 3D space. Navigating and manipulating object in 3D space is the fundamental in Blender. Efficient movement and control are achieved through various input methods. Navigation. Orbiting. Hold the middle mouse button to rotate the view around the scene. Panning. Hold shift plus middle mouse button to pan the view horizontally and vertically. Zooming. Use the scroll view wheel or control plus middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Here is the example for the rotation in the different camera view. First one is top view, next one is front view, next is right view, and user preference view. This four direction everything will be denoted in the camera view by following with the number key 5, that is used for rotating or using the changing the view of the particular workspace. In this camera press up, we can see the object in a particular area, but using left side tools panel, we can rotate or translate or scale or origin the object which is denoted in the workspace. Transformation. Already we know the key G is used for grab and move the particular object. Moves object freely or along specific axis X, Y and Z. Use the shift plus axis to constrain move to the 2 axis. Next is key R. Rotate objects around the X, Y and Z axis. Use R for trackball rotation, which allows free rotation. Next is scale. Yes, scales object uniformly. Scales object uniformly or along specific axis. Use shift plus axis to scale along with the 2 axes. Next is precision control. Snapping. Snapping is nothing but snap the object with the edges or faces. Snap object to grid, vertex, edges or faces. That is the snapping tool. Toggle snapping mode and set snapping target. Transform constraints. Hold shift to slow down the transformation for finer control. Use control to snap transformation to increments, example 1 unit and etc. Thank you.